So I've been noticing that people have only recently been learning how to shotgun a beer properly, a beer can. So my question to you guys, do you know how to shotgun a bottle? That's what you're gonna learn today with the TT tutorial gang. With the TT tutorial team. Alright, first step, crack the beer.
But not literally.
I'll open this for you. Always remember to open the beer. This will not work otherwise. Second
straw
step.
here. Okay, I want everyone to grab their straw. Okay, you're gonna put the long end inside. Okay, and you're gonna twist it over the.
And take
the
a sip.
No. Show him how's done. Show him how's done. See?
Hold it like this.
Bam, Aaron, show him.
You don't cover the hole, so
Alright, okay.
it's still vented.
This up top to your upper lip.
When you flip this shit out and you start drinking it, okay? You want to suck
Wait, what
the
do you mean?
life out of that shit, okay? You want to pretend that you're at the prison and the biggest, most mean. And this is it. This is it, man. All right.
Alright, let's do it. Let's just show them.
So just suck.
Like it's the biggest, meanest.
Cheers.
Go. Wow.
It doesn't even hurt, man.
Yo,
TT.
I couldn't get it started.
TT, yo, motherfucker.